bond between the United States and Japan has never been stronger. To this day, our alliance is the cornerstone of peace, prosperity, and freedom in the Indo-Pacific. Yokota Air Base is a citadel of strength and a symbol to the world that we will ensure our peace and security through superiority and power. Together with our allies and partners, we will continue to strive to peacefully dismantle North Korea's nuclear program and alleviate the suffering of its people. Let the world know we are ready for any eventuality. All options are on the table. To any who would threaten our people or allies, know this: under this Commander-in-Chief, with the greatest fighting force in the world, the United States is ready to defend our homeland, defend our allies, anytime, anywhere. And together, we will forge a future of security, prosperity, and peace for both of our nations for generations to come.